that thing is serious. So this bracket that I build has to be like almost zero tolerance. It has to be like, you know, maybe a few tenths on either side. So this is good. So now we have something that we can drill into the side of the uprights to secure these into the uprights. Now this distance, see, there's nothing on the back, so it's good. So the back will slide in, and then we screw the fronts to the uprights. And then it would also be best to keep the tolerance really as tight to the ceiling as we can. But this is an excellent mounting option right here. Man, it's meant to be. That's right. So you got the ground, and you complete the circuit with the wire, and it, you know, it basically melts. In fact, you know what we can even do is we can just go right to the insides of these bars, and as long as that corner sits on that rail, it'll be nice and strong. Know what I'm saying? These little things are awesome. They keep everything square. And it's the beauty of magnets, right? Look it up. I think I can.